Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach here, presenting this beautiful 2017 Jaguar F-PACE S all-wheel drive. This car is beautiful white with black interior, upgraded 22-inch wheels, keyless entry. Door panels are in excellent shape. Illuminated door sills. Leather is in excellent condition. Center armrest, cup holder, everything is very clean. The Alcantara headliner, panel roof. About 74,000 miles on this car. Back seats as well. Excellent shape. Blind spot monitoring, 3-liter supercharged, 380 horsepower, about 74,000 miles. Paint is really nice. Driver's door as well. Steering wheel. All the controls, good shape. The stitching is still nice. The leather seat. Start up for you real quick. Headlights, nice and clear. All right, if you're looking for a beautiful SUV that has a lot of power, drives nice at a really reasonable price point, give us a call at 858-382-1319. Thank you.